Not long after buying and publicly consuming a $6.2 million banana as part of an Art World stunt, Chinese crypto entrepreneur Justin Sun made another eye-catching purchase, investing $30 million, $23.5 million, into a cryptocurrency firm called World Liberty Financial. The company had foundered since its October launch, investors seemingly leery of its prospects and its terms, but it boasted a potentially enticing feature: the chance to do business with a firm partnering with and promoted by none other than Donald Trump. Mr. Sun's investment tipped the company over the threshold that allowed the president-elect to begin profiting from the venture. Trump and his family are now in the position to collect roughly $20 million, and potentially far more. Mr. Sun, who is currently fighting fraud charges in the U.S. related to his own crypto business, did not respond to questions about what prompted his interest in the tokens, which cannot be traded. But the episode set off alarm bells among government ethics experts, who see it as an indication that Trump's expanding business ventures have made it easier than ever for those hoping to influence U.S. policy to steer money his way. The conflicts have grown substantially with the scope of his business empire, said Richard Painter, who served as the White House's chief ethics lawyer during the George W. Bush administration. In a statement to the BBC, Trump's team shrugged off the worries. In his first term, President Trump removed himself from his multi-billion-dollar real estate empire to run for office and forewent his government salary, Trump spokeswoman Caroline Leavitt said. Unlike most politicians, President Trump didn't get into politics for profit. He's fighting because he loves the people of this country and wants to make America great again. But Trump has taken little action in response to concerns about the potential for corruption or appearance of it as he prepares for a return to the White House. New opportunities. Trump has faced questions about conflicts of interest before. During his first term as president, the Trump International Hotel in Washington, D.C. became a symbol of the issue, as a go-to place for lobbyists, foreign diplomats, and allies to stay and spend. Critics argued that the hotel created a way for Trump to profit indirectly from his office. He faced accusations and lawsuits alleging he violated the U.S. Constitution's ban on presidents receiving foreign emoluments or profiting from their office. But experts said the growth of his business empire, which now includes a publicly traded social media company, a cryptocurrency firm, and ties to a Saudi-backed golf league, makes it possible for anyone hoping to curry favor to move money more quietly and in much greater sums. The scale has increased and the ease has increased, said Michael Olrog, a law professor at New York University, who has studied Trump Media, which operates Truth Social and currently represents the bulk of Trump's $6 billion fortune. You can only book so many hotel rooms. On Truth Social, for example, Prof. Olrog said a foreign government or business could purchase ads convincing investors the firm was gaining traction, prompting a pop in its share price. Though Trump Media commands a market value of more than $7 billion, there has been little sign of such activity so far. The company reported less than $5 million in ad sales this year. But given the stock market's amplifying effect, Prof. Olrog said it would not require a lot of spending to lead to potentially significant gains for Trump, who owns more than half the shares of the company. His pro-crypto stance. Nowhere is the entanglement between Trump's business interests and his public duties as stark as in the crypto industry, where he has deepened his personal involvement, while simultaneously promising to champion it while in the White House. His plans include regulatory rollback and ideas such as a national Bitcoin reserve, in which the government would stockpile the cryptocurrency. One of the most important issues to be determined over the next couple years is how crypto is regulated, said Virginia Cantor, Chief Ethics Counsel at the Nonpartisan Citizens for Responsibility and Ethics in Washington. Well now, he's an active player in the crypto market. How it could be regulated could affect his personal wealth, what kind of position he takes. Nick Bhatia, founder of Bitcoin Layer, a firm that advocates investments in Bitcoin, said it would be a mistake to dismiss Trump's stance on crypto as driven only by his own financial interests. I don't see these moves motivated by self-interest. I see them representing the electorate, he said. But still, he said, I think there probably is a conflict of interest in that his pro-crypto stance will benefit his company. This week, Trump said he would nominate Paul Atkins, who has lobbied for the industry, to lead the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Kindly like, subscribe, and share.